Hey guys, welcome back to Kemari Reaction for another reaction video. Thank you guys so much for coming back. I really do appreciate it. And I love the iPop Indonesians coming out with their recommendation. I like that. Thank you guys so much for giving me an opportunity with these new artists and list of artists as well, new or old or dead or alive, whoever. I really do appreciate you guys giving me the opportunity to react to you guys' art. But basically musician that you guys like. I really do appreciate it. This next group is called Bforce. I do like my nice male group, but this one that's behind me. And this is their song Together Stronger Better. Faster, stronger. Oh, why do a song in my head? I would like to go to Indonesia. Oh, I don't want to sit down for so long though. I don't want to sit down. I want to have to go back home. Ooh. Okay, now this is my speed. Stronger. Go. Stronger. Hold on, I'm not gonna do that. Turn up my volume. I need to hear this. Ooh, that. We are stronger. Hey. Oh. Ooh. Ooh, you heard that? Ooh. Ooh. Oh, that was good. He better come with the vocals. Oh, they can sing. Let me go. Wow. Ooh. I wonder if will.i.am produced this. Stronger. Okay. That's my lingo. No Bforce, that's my lingo. That's my lingo. Oh my god. Oh my god. The Indonesians, the iPop, you guys got me. You guys got me. The ones who recommend this, I need to go back and I need to start making video congratulation my viewers and stuff and shout out and stuff, because the ones who, some of you guys that give me really good recommendations, I really do appreciate it. Some of you guys not so much, but I won't say no names. You just, when you react to something and I don't react to it ever, then you will know. But I really do like it. That was Bforce, so I'm assuming him. Indonesians. I do have a soft spot for international football. I really do. Starby and Bforce. Thank you for the ones who recommend me to react to these videos. I really do appreciate it. Thank you so much. Thank you. For everybody else, whatever you guys want me to react to, feel free to leave a link below in the comment section and I'll get to it as soon as possible. As always, who can do you besides you? I really do appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for watching.